Where to buy Medinilla magnifica? I found my Medinilla magnifica at a local plant nursery that specializes in exotic plants. It took some searching, but once I spotted its vibrant pink blooms, I knew it was the one for me. I love supporting local businesses, especially those with a passion for unique flora. See more 368 species in genus Medinilla at monsteraholic.com. How to care for Medinilla magnifica. Caring for my Medinilla magnifica has been a joy. I keep it in a bright spot with indirect sunlight and make sure to water it regularly, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist. I also mist its leaves occasionally to mimic its natural tropical environment. It's rewarding to see it thrive and grow under my care. How to grow Medinilla magnifica from seed. Growing Medinilla magnifica from seed was a bit of a challenge, but I found success by starting the seeds in a warm, humid environment. I used a well-draining potting mix and kept the soil consistently moist until the seedlings emerged. Patience was key, but seeing those tiny green shoots push through the soil was incredibly satisfying. How to propagate Medinilla magnifica. Propagating my Medinilla magnifica was an exciting experiment. I opted for stem cuttings, selecting healthy stems with several leaves and making clean cuts just below a leaf node. I placed the cuttings in a mixture of perlite and peat moss, keeping them consistently moist until they developed roots. It was fulfilling to see new plants emerge from those cuttings, ready to be potted and shared with friends. How to prune Medinilla magnifica. Pruning my Medinilla magnifica is a delicate task that I approach with care. I mainly trim away any dead or damaged leaves to promote healthy growth and maintain its elegant appearance. I also prune back any leggy stems to encourage bushier growth. It's a mindful process that helps keep my plant looking its best. Is Medinilla magnifica poisonous? As far as I know, Medinilla magnifica is not considered poisonous to humans or pets. However, like with any plant, it's essential to handle it with care and keep it out of reach of curious children and animals. I've never experienced any issues with toxicity, but I still take precautions to ensure the safety of my household. How to make Medinilla magnifica bloom. Encouraging my Medinilla magnifica to bloom is a matter of providing the right conditions and care. I ensure it receives adequate sunlight, consistent watering, and occasional fertilization during the growing season. Additionally, I make sure to give it a period of cooler temperatures and reduced watering in the winter to simulate its natural blooming cycle. It's always a delight when those stunning pink flowers start to appear. How long for Medinilla magnifica to bloom? The time it takes for my Medinilla magnifica to bloom can vary depending on various factors such as its age, health, and environmental conditions. Typically, I've found that it takes around 6 to 12 months for my plant to bloom after its last flowering cycle. However, I've learned to be patient and enjoy the journey of nurturing it until it graces me with its beautiful blooms once again.